Alrighty guys, back with another video. This time, instead of the Greek gods, it's Greek goddesses. I'm really enjoying doing the traditional references like the Greek gods, and I shall try some more mythology, focal kind of folklore next week I think, but right now it's Grecian gods. So I shall start with explaining what I usually do for those who are new. This is how I'm learning how to improve my art level and skills very quickly and over a short space of time. So divide your page. This is an A3 pad, so divide it into 1, 2, 3 and 4 sections. Each drawing takes 4 minutes. Set a timer for yourself and don't go over it, or try not to go over it. As I said, each drawing takes 4 minutes, and then you take 1 minute to do a quick analysis of your drawing, what you'd like to improve, what you think you managed to capture, what you've done well, that type of thing. So for today, it was good speed for all 3 of them. I did then go over maybe about 10-20 seconds. I think I shouldn't have done it, but I did, and that was to capture the shoulder and a couple lines in the neck. So don't copy me in that regard, but yeah, I'm just trying to keep myself accountable. So on with the actual analysis. The eye on the left should be further over onto the face, if that makes sense. The original reference picture is of, I don't know what goddess this is, but the face was turning slightly up, so they should be more like at an angle. So next, I hopefully captured that eventually. But yeah, the initial drawing, I'm not too bad with it. That doesn't make sense. The eyes, I think I actually done quite well. However, they should be at a different angle. They should be looking further up. The nose was slightly squashed, so that should be more coming into the face. Very Roman nose that she had. And the mouth, again, was a little bit squashed, so that should be further out and slightly fuller lips. And I don't know what I've done with the chin. That just, yeah, that doesn't look like a good chin. So yeah, overall it was okay for a warm-up. Not my greatest drawing, but I'm not going to kick myself up. I utilised the Loomis, gestural and observational methods for that one. And on to number two. Number two is a little bit better than the first one, I feel. It's slightly getting the better eye shape and eye angle. If you can see, compared to the left one, it's slightly further over and very slightly further angled down, which is what I wanted. The nose is better. I do need to still watch the mouth. That should be fuller. And the chin, the chin was throwing me off today. I think it's because it's the Roman chin, and it just wasn't getting me. So yeah, I'm not too bad with that one. Again, it was the same. Sorry, beg your pardon, it wasn't gestural, it was Loomis, geometric and gestural. So yeah, a wee bit of a change in the learning methods and techniques there, which I think I was able to utilise and get better results. On to the third one. Third one is slightly better, however it just looks a little bit, I don't know whether it looks a little bit messy because of the amount of lines, but they were there to show depth as well as try and provide a bit more structure for myself, so I could actually get the results that I wanted. However, yeah, I think at the end of the day, I need to remember that these drawings are for to put under like paintings and charcoals, so it's a good learning method and also it's a good way to get your drawings done before you actually start the actual main what's the word, medium, which painting or drawing or not sketching, charcoal. I can't get my words out today. I'm really sorry about this, guys. So good speed again. I was getting happier with them. Still needs a lot of work, specifically the chin area and the hair as well. Same methods. The structure and the layout and the proportions were a lot better than the previous two, and I shall keep you going. I shall keep going. So let me know what you think and what you find is a good technique to use. If there's anything else that you would like to say in them, like a wee critique, feel free. And I shall see you next time. Bye!